Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to stabilize your clips in DaVinci Resolve. Here I've got a clip in my timeline. Now open up your clip. In the Fusion page, select Media and hit Shift Space and search for Tracker. As you can see, you have this green rectangle in the corner here. Drag on this square and find a good high contrast point where you will place it. Make sure the point is visible throughout the whole video, otherwise this won't work. Head onto the Inspector tab and set the Adaptive mode to Best Match, and now track backward and forward. After that, make sure the tracker stays on the right point. Then, Operation tab, change the Operation mode to Match Move. After that, change Merge to Background Only. As you can see now, the edges turn transparent. To fix this, we'll need a Transform node. Make a keyframe for size in the beginning, then move to the end. Adjust the values until there are no visible edges anymore. Go through the video. If you see these edges again, turn up a size until you don't. Now we have successfully stabilized this clip. Happy editing!